welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing another game, and it's a Smash game. We Smash Planets and stuff. It's called Solar Smash if you want to play it or anything. And let's get to it. So I'm gonna do the meteor shower. Oh, I gotta think. If I can destroy this planet in 20 seconds. I don't have to do a punishment, but if I don't do it in 20 seconds, if I don't destroy this planet in 20 seconds, then send in the comment section below, send me a punishment and I'll do it if I don't do this in 20 seconds. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna get my things out. And 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. I'm gonna do something. Black hole. Black hole, black hole, black hole. Meteor shower, meteor shower. Meteor shower, meteor shower. No, vortex, vortex, vortex. Okay, send me a comment in the comment section below. Send me a punishment and I'll do it for this. Because I didn't finish the planet. Okay, let's actually finish the planet. So. Oh my god, that's like, oh, it just like took. Wait, I gotta see this. Oh, it's like taking stuff. Like, I need this. Ooh. King takes stuff. There's one more thing I want to do, and it's violent. It goes for like a dude. How strong is this person? Just going around slapping things. Oh my god, that's pretty solid. Okay, the last one. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today, and that's gonna wrap it up for tonight, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is actually my third video. No, this is my second video. So, yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, click that subscribe button, of course. And, of course, see you next time. And then click all the things, and it's your broski, and I'll do it too. You can't get this. You can't do this. See you next time. Hi guys, see you next time. Peace. Wait, see you next time. Peace.